At Sparkinvest, we're thrilled to introduce the 𝐊𝐞𝐲 series solar panels, an innovative solution from the globally recognised Tier 1 brand LONGi. These panels are designed for demanding projects, setting a new standard in solar technology through their efficiency and reliability. The series showcases advanced half-cut cell technology, significantly boosting performance in low light conditions and ensuring a stable and consistent energy output. The modules offer an impressive power range of up to 505 watts, combined with a high efficiency rate of 21.5%. This places them at the leading edge of solar panel technology. Incorporating gallium-doped wafers, the modules minimize light-induced degradation, enhancing their longevity and preserving performance stability over time. Durability is another standout feature. These panels are built to endure harsh environmental conditions and can handle high mechanical loads. Furthermore, each panel includes an IP68 protected junction box with 3 bypass diodes. This safeguards the system from environmental damage while maintaining consistent power generation. With 12 years of experience in photovoltaics, Sparkinvest specialises in wholesale solar product distribution across Europe. We also offer comprehensive solutions, including installation services. By leveraging our expertise, we ensure quality and efficiency in both our products and services.